There are many creators on YouTube who make videos on I tried YouTube Shorts for 30 days, 100 days, but no one tells the actual process of making this type of short videos. So, in this video I will explain to you the full process, step by step. Now you might be wondering whether this type of videos go viral on YouTube or not. So let me give you a solid proof. You can see this channel getting millions of views. He just repurposed the short clips of the podcast and you can see how fast this channel is growing. The first step of creating this type of short videos is finding the trending podcast. The best way to find the trending topic is to stay active on social media. This way you can easily know what's new in the market, so you can grab the opportunity. As I was scrolling, I saw this podcast of Ari Emanuel. This was uploaded about 18 hours ago. This occurrence piqued my interest, and I recognized a potential opportunity worth exploring. Before we delve further, it is wise to approach matters empirically. Verifiable data often supersedes mere intuition. This is where VidIQ becomes a valuable ally. Just open it and click on the keyword research option. Here enter the search term. Just like I am entering my topic here, Ari Emanuel podcast. You can see that the search volume is medium, but the competition is very low, so it is a really good topic to make videos on. This way you can check the potential of your search term. Now, let's get down to business. This podcast is a whopping hour long, and let's be real, none of us have that much time. So, here's the hack. I'm going to pop the name of the podcast into a search and see if there are shorter clips available. But I cannot find the short clips for my podcast. This is because this podcast was uploaded just 18 hours ago. But if I search for any other podcast which was uploaded some days ago, I will definitely find several 10 to 15 minute snippets from those podcasts. Before diving into step number 2, if you like my content, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The second step is extracting the interesting parts from the whole podcast. So, there are 2 steps to doing this. The first way is by using Opus.Pro AI tool. In this method, you just have to copy the link of the podcast and paste it here. After this, AI will work its magic and will provide you short clips along with captions. This method is really easy and helpful, but the thing is that this AI tool is paid. If you can afford, you should definitely use it. But if you can't, then the second method is for you. It starts with downloading the podcast episode you're eyeing. Once you've got that podcast in your hands, open up your favorite editing software. For our example, I'm using Adobe Premiere. Here you will have to listen to the whole podcast and find the interesting parts.
When you're on the field, kill the other dude. When you're not on the field, you don't have to kill the other dude. But when you're on the field, you want to win. You just have to realize when you're not on the field. The problem is, I think people don't realize when they're not on the field.
Then delete the remaining part of the video. With this method, you're not just getting one, but multiple short clips from a single podcast. I managed to slice a single podcast into 3 bite-sized videos that are oozing with intrigue. Step number 3 is adding those engaging captions that'll make your shorts truly shine. For adding captions, we will use another AI called Vid.io. When you will open this website, you will see this type of interface. Here, just click on Start for free. Once you've done that, it's showtime. We're going to upload the video we've already crafted using Adobe Premiere. After a few seconds, your video will be uploaded. And on the left you will see the subtitle option. It's like your magic wand for creating those captivating captions. Click on it, and then hit the Auto Subtitles button. After a few seconds, AI will work its magic and will generate captivating subtitles for you. But wait, we're not just about automated wonders. You've got control here too. If you want to fine-tune those captions, you can easily edit them from here. We can also change the style of the subtitles. Just click on the Style tab, and now you have control on it. There's a smorgasbord of styles waiting for you, each with its own flair. You can also change the color and font of the captions. Once you've got those captions dialed in and looking stunning, click on the Export button and the video will be saved to your PC. We're cruising into the 4th step of our shorts creation process. If you have used Vid.io for generating the subtitles, you must have noticed the watermark of this tool on the video, which definitely doesn't look good. To remove this watermark, we will use another AI tool named Media.io. When you will open it, you will see a lot of options, but for now we will be using the watermark remover. Just click on it. Here you will see the option to download it or use it online. If you want to use this tool regularly, you can download it, but for now I will use it online. It will take few seconds and your video will be uploaded. Now you can zoom it on the watermark and select it carefully. Once you have selected it, click on Remove Objects and it will start processing. The AI will take few minutes to process, depends upon the length of your video. See, the watermark is completely removed. Now just download it. and your video is ready to blow on YouTube. So let me give you some important tips which will really help you to viral your shorts. To begin, it's essential to uphold consistency. This doesn't imply bombarding your platform with numerous shorts within a single day. Rather, it entails maintaining a steady cadence. In other words, even if you choose to publish just one short per day, ensure that you do so consistently without missing a day. The second tip involves crafting your short content to be both compelling and captivating. When formulating your title, prioritize conciseness to heighten engagement. Don't put too much hashtags into your title. Ideally, limit yourself to 1 or at most 2 hashtags. Overloading your title with excessive hashtags can yield a negative impact on your video, potentially hindering its virality rather than enhancing it. Now, if you want to know can AI channels be monetized, then click the video on the right. Or if you want to create faceless YouTube channel using AI, then click the video on the left.